Hello guys, welcome back, and this is gold. Let's quickly look at what gold has. And we know last week we were looking at gold to buy from this zone. Gold give us a push and close bearish. So this closing bearish is a negative one for gold because it's not supposed to close bearish inside here. It's supposed to at least close with a fight of bulls. Well, this week gold really closed bearish, which was to me not a good sign, despite we still have some demand in here. I'm not really happy with the fact that gold closed bearish, so it gives me concern, and I will show you why it gives me concern. Because inside this zone that gold is toying with, this zone has not really been a very solid zone, because we are actually expecting gold to sell, and gold has refused to sell for some while. So if gold now starts selling from here, it might be the sell that we've been waiting for gold to sell to come back to these zones. It might be the sell that gold wants to start now, because we have a view of what gold has been doing from here. Gold broke out, came back to this zone, pushed, came back to this zone, pushed, and then come back here instead. This was the man that broke this eye, came back here, pushed. Who broke this eye? This man here. Gold didn't come back for it. Created another push, gold didn't come back for it. Now created the third push. Now we are currently at this third push. So if I'm willing to buy gold, this is where I'm willing to buy gold at. I'm willing to buy gold in here. So I'll wait for gold can come here. So possibly with this aggressive move, gold is saying we might possibly be coming down. That's what gold is saying. Now you can see that gold already traded out of this trend line, and now we have a rejection formation. You can see this is an end pattern rejection formation, or we could call it a double top rejection formation. If it's going to be a double top, then this will be the zone of the double top, then this will be a neckline of the double top. So you can see that we have this high, and if gold should break out of this zone, then note gold will test this zone. So I'll probably, this is my sweep, and I'll probably not use this. I use something different to exponentially react to that zone for me. So let me see in the highs of retail, because I'm also a retail, so don't let me categorize anybody retail. It's just the strategy. Let me see it in the strategy of support and resistance. So I'm actually not basing my confirmation on this. I just want to use this as an extra confluence to what I'm doing. Extra confluence. So you can see gold is tied up in this corner. So if I see gold comes, please, this should only be on weekly. Thank you. I want you to not affect my major view. So if this should fall, we have one zone here. You can see, as I sometimes, you guys, I used to say support and demand is closely related, but it's just a little bit of some insights, some basics insight. That's just the differences. So you can see now I'm only using these because I want to have a good play on this gold move. You know, gold is highly volatile, so you don't joke with gold anyhow. If you are doing any work on gold, do it well. So you can see I just use this support and resistance platforms. Rejection, 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 rejection. So after we broke up this zone, we didn't come back here, we stretched. So if I want to see any buy, it will be in the zone. This is my zone for buy. So if I have this, so let me zoom in, then I can categorically say that if this guy gets taken, we have a retracement chop. So RE chop, the bottom. Okay, so if I have this, it's a retracement chart for me, and presently this is the demand we are in. So if this demand gets broken, then you should know this is a sweep. So this is more like my 1 hour sweep, but I want it here, I want it here. So let's go down to daily. Remember, all the support and resistance is not sure on my daily. Now on my daily, there is one major zone here. Good, yeah, this is the zone. Now what that zone tells me that there's a liquidity here for gold. That was what I was chasing to sell gold. I was really looking at selling gold here and take my profit here, but price took us out before the drop, so it happened. I didn't see any transaction here, any supply here to sell from, so I couldn't target anything here. What I saw is price broke this low here, price broke the low here. Okay, after price broke the low, this we have continuation of low breakings, and the last one here was this guy. So we see continuation of low range zone broken there, but still so you can see this is more or less like an impulse correction impulse. So I see that this is an impulsive sell. This is 1, 2, 3 impulsive. So if this is going to be an impulsive sell, then this will be a supply. So pricing come here, then this is my impulsive move on the daily. Okay. Yeah, settings. Okay. Pause. Trend daily. Okay. Coming down. Okay, so just text. So I have the impulse here, I have the correction, the drop. So this is the major demand that I'm looking for. Why this demand sweep here, and we have a sweep over. You can see we have a sweep at the bottom, then we have a sweep at the top. So this is where the confluence is. Sometimes you can over refine it by bringing it here and looking for the last body here. So this is the over refinement of this zone. This is just an over refined of this zone. So if price should come down to this verified, let's see what will happen. We already sweep one sweep here. We already sweep these two also. So we have those two sweep taken already. Okay, so the price comes here and we see a form of bullish reaction, my guys. I'm going in on it. That's the next thing. I'm going in on it. So let me just bring this one here so that we could have a feel. Like we've tested the major ones. So let's go down to 4 hour. Now, okay, I think you can see daily and 4 hour inside this zone at the same time. Daily and 4 hour inside that zone at the same time. 4 hours low taking, sweep it. So you can see what we have now. Prices done this did I do this check? This check is not a check, it's just a sweep. As I see, it's just a sweep. Sweep. Okay. So we have this reaction, we have this one taken. So let's see what happens here. That's what I'm interested in, to see what happens inside this zone. If I see a good switch from sell to buy, guys, I'm a buy. I'm going for this high. But let's wait for a flip. If I see a flip here, then I must sell. If I see a flip here, I must sell. I might not sell here or sell here, but if I see a flip here, I might risk to sell on gold. I'll target this next zone. I'll target this next zone. And you see how you can see plenty demand at the bottom. You still have a lot of unmitigated demand from gold. So I think that's that on gold presently. I can see this massive impulse. This is a impulsive move on gold. Strong, very strong NFP move. So alright, so gold also have an impulse here. We have the super high and super low. Take out demand, tap into this. So if we move here, I'll wait to see what happens here, because this is a strong zone now. This zone now is a strong zone. I'll just wait to see what happens in this zone. Okay, that's what I'll wait for. What happens in this zone. Alright, that's that for now. On gold, let's be careful and let's see how it goes on for next week. Bye guys.